Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Detailed Animal Sketches 2, a colouring collection of 25 animal drawings by Tim Jeffs. This is just the standard print. I didn't get the hardback version. I'll not delay and we'll get started straight away. Right. Here it just says, for Jane, Jenna and Harrison, dedicated to all of the wonderful colours who have supported my art and made my drawings more beautiful with their colours and all the precious creatures that we live among. Sketchbook thoughts. To an artist, a sketchbook is a close friend. So this will be about from Tim Jeffs himself, about his sketchbook thoughts. Circle of creativity. And then you get your animal index like you did with the detailed animal sketches, endangered species. As the more books is done, the more is put the names of each animal under each picture instead of having to flip back and forth, which makes it so much easier for me. So yeah, you get your animal index, all single-sided images. Paper quality is absolutely fantastic. You can use any mediums. Obviously you've got to be mindful of bleed through as well, so just be cautious with that. And we'll get started. So his first picture is the African elephant. And then we've got the bald eagle. You can really see all the fine details that Tim's done with sketching it. I just love it. I love all his work. I've done some of his pictures on his Tim Jeffs group, which I'll add to my description for you to easily find. They do competitions from time to time, and I did one for the Shark Week. Well, I coloured two actually, and it was the first two I've ever coloured for Tim Jeffs, and I felt so scared of ruining pictures. So that's probably the reason why I haven't touched any since then. Beetles. And then we've got the Bobcat. Butterflies. Chameleon. Crowned crane. Dragonfly. Giant panda. Do apologise if I'm going a bit too fast. Hedgehog. Hyena. Jellyfish. Kingfisher. King penguin. Koala. Mantis Shrimp. Meerkat. Otter. Pangolin. Puffin. Rainbow Lorikeet. Red panda. Siamese Fighting Fish. Sloths. Wild Mustang. And then you get your Merc introduction again, and the books where the different ones that he's got available, and then you've got your online resources, and that's back at book, and then that's back as well. You get a few pictures at back so you know what you're buying. Again, another lovely book by Tim Jeffs. I will pop the link in description for you if it's still available. Otherwise it'll be like through his online site through PDF if you can't grab it via book anymore. Click that notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload any new content. If you won't mind subscribing, I'd really appreciate your support. It means the world to me. If there's anything you want me to review or flip through, drop me a comment. I will get back to you as soon as I can. As always, take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye!